Hey guys, Matt here from Burns Power Tools. We're going to unbox the new DeWALT DCW600B cordless router. Let's go over some facts before we open it up. It's got a 4-inch base, a variable speed between 16,000 and 25,000 RPMs. It weighs in at 3.4 pounds and comes with a 1/4-inch collet. A couple facts about it that we might like to know is it's got a brushless motor with a soft start. It's got dual LEDs to light up the work area, and it's got an adjustable ring similar to the DWP611. Let's open this thing up and take a peek. We've got our trusty DeWALT knife here. As you can see, it's quite sharp. It's packed quite well, like the rest of their products. Comes with the wrench to adjust and change the router bits, and a manual. I'm not going to tear it open, but I'm sure it has all the information in here that we've already gone over, plus some operating instructions. Let's pull it out and take a look. We don't need this anymore. Alright, let's get this guy out of here. As you can see, it's quite beefy. Looks real nice. It's similar quality that we have come to know from DeWALT. Brushless motor, as we stated. Adjustable ring. It's similar to a lot of the routers they already have, just freeing you of the cord. Alright guys, let's put a battery in here and give it a try. As you can see, it uses the same batteries that you use for all the other 20-volt stuff. Slides right in, locks in. Let's turn it on and see what we got. Let's turn it down here. That's your variable speed control. Have your 2 work lights here, your 1/4-inch collet. Let's turn it up. Fairly quiet, about as loud as what you would expect from a palm router. Nice and quiet, stops quite easily. It's nice and beefy, bulky, like you would expect from a DeWALT product. Very easy to adjust. It's got the depth adjustment with the ring here, just like the DWP611. As you saw when I turned it on, it had a nice soft start motor, no jerking like some of the bigger routers. And when I turned it off, you saw the electric brake stopped it immediately, which is nice and safe, so that'll help you out with that. These are available online at burnstools.com, and we have a handful of them in stock right now, but I would get one as soon as you can because they will go fast.